Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel. Today we are going to talk about Capcut, how to use auto caption text and how you can customize if you want to show on the display letter by letter or line by line or scene by scene as you talk. This video we will walk through step by step, and if you new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, click on ring bell button so you don't miss any video from my channel. I have made a couple video about Capcut basic feature to advanced. Now this is kind of video part number 4 where we're going to talk about the text. I have already talked about the keyframe and cutout feature. If you missed those videos, I will leave a link in description. So now let's start. To make a video short, I have already import my clip here, then I drag to the editing library. If you don't know about it, you just click on import and you can import any video, bring here. From here you can drag and drop. So as I have already video, we're gonna just start working on the text. Simply, if you need a text, you just click on the text. You will just drag and drop. You can change any text, you can write down any text, but in this case we are going to use only auto caption. First I'm going to play this clip so you will understand what we're talking about. So now that's the clip we're working on. I tried to make a video as much as shorter I can do. Now as you can see, I have already clicked on the auto caption, but in your case you have a here you're gonna see the default or effects or anything. Like there's a lot of other things you can work on, but we're gonna work on the auto caption right now. From the auto caption, then you have to choose English or whatever the language. I think there's a lot of other language you can use. I'm gonna use English. If you want to have a clear current subtitles, you can leave it if there's any other subtitle before, but I don't have it. I'm just gonna go click on create, then we will customize. I'm gonna click on create. It will take a couple seconds. It will write the caption for you according to the person is speaking. Here we go. If you can see right now, an auto caption, it write only one line, and that's all. Well, we're gonna work on this one. First we're gonna click here, and this side we have all text. You can change font, everything you want to do. First we're gonna change the font. I'm gonna click here. You can change to any. I'm gonna put this one, look like a little bit more show off. Then you want to change the color, but we're gonna go here. We're gonna change to first the way it look like. I'm gonna use this one. Here you can do many things. From the color, you can change the color you want, and that's the color from inside. Then there's also color from the outside. We're gonna change that one. I have a since I have a white background, I'm gonna use a little dark color. I'm gonna pick the color, and you can also choose any other dark color. Okay, here we go. You're gonna use the black color. Now let's go by the size. Here, font size, you can make as big as you want. Okay, now we're going to focus on only the auto caption, how you can adjust. From here, you see, you don't want to see like that, but you want to see like letter by letter on the display as the lady speak, so or person speak. We're gonna click here on caption. You will see your whole caption here. So here what we have to do, we're just gonna click on the caption. If you're gonna do one letter at a time, you can do one letter, but I'm gonna do here and click enter. You see the split, and I'm gonna click here split again. You can split as many times you want. You can click and just enter. It will break down your auto caption in letter by letter or the way you want. Now let's talk about the position. You can select all. We're gonna put it here. So now let's play again. Okay, if you like it, that's okay. If not, you can do a lot of other things. Just select all and click on animation. Now you can change the animation the way you want. You want this one like type. and you can change your time to 2 seconds or whatever, but it depend on your the length of your caption. If your caption is too small, you're not gonna be able to change your time. Now let's start. Okay, now you can do a lot more. You can give animation to one by one or multiple together. I'm gonna change this color a little bit to like here, matching with the skin tone. So that's the way you can do auto caption and customize your caption letter by letter, and the final result will be like this.
Hi, my name is Jessie and I am your virtual presenter.
That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video with a new topic.